Hello, this problem is find AH, this length. At first, we can find this line is 2 centimeter, 2, 2. Here, the triangle ABE, and triangle BCF are similar, cause this angle and this angle makes 90 degrees, and this angle makes 90 degrees. So here angle X. As such, here is round. EB to BA is 1 to 2. So FC to CB also 1 to 2. That means FC 3. Therefore DF is 1. And this small triangle FTG, this is also similar with triangle ABE. Here X, here O. That means GD to DF is 1 to 2. So here is 1 over 2. Then AG is 6 minus 1 over 2 is 11 over 2. This triangle GAH is also similar with ABE and BCF. That means AH to AG is 1 to 2. So AH equal half of AG. 1 over 2 multiplied by 11 over 2 is 11 over 4. Finishing. Thank you. Hello, this problem is find the area of triangle BHF. The first triangle ABC is 108 square centimeters. Let's go. At first, triangle ABC is similar with triangle EGC. The ratio is 3 to 1. Then the ratio of area is 9 to 1. So triangle EGC equal 1 over 9 of triangle ABC equal like this 12. And look at this triangle EBG. EBG is twice of triangle EGC. So triangle EBG equal 24 square square centimeters. The last stage, triangle BHF. And triangle BEG. Did you find it? These two triangles are also similar. The ratio is 1 to 2. So, the ratio, the area, is 1 to 4. Here, triangle BHF equal 1/4 of triangle BEG equal 1/4 multiplied by 24 equal 6 square centimeters. Finish.